Good evening time, everybody. Hope y'all are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. It's DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel, Patreon channel members. Alright guys, I've got a terrible cold. My voice is talking through my nose. I know I sound like crap. Probably still sound better in my own videos, but I still don't sound right. So, guys, I got a repair review. This is a 2x8. Sold it used. Gentleman got on sideband, had a little uh-oh. I've heard that so many times since I've been doing this. Everything was working good. And I got on sideband and the smoke come out. Got to turn down the RF power on the radios and drive them really easy on sideband. HGs don't like them. Alright guys, I'm going to start straight through SWR. Hello, straight through SWR, worldwide, 0. Worldwide. Gonna turn him on. Excuse me. Barrel wide open, 2-pill. Hello, input tune on the right, 2-pill, 2-pill. Input tune on the right, 2-pill. Ball. Turn off the 2-pill. 8-pill. Input tune on the right. Hello, 8-pill. 975 some change. You got 8 brand new transistors in that section. 2x8. Hello, 2x8. 18 and some change. Get on down. We will go up here and look at our birds. 5-ohm reverse, 2500 watt PP. Top scale, 10s, 1000, 15, 2000. Hello, worldwide, 1750 some change. Half a watt reflect. Got a really good tune on her. We'll get over here on our outdoor dummy load on the Colossal. Outdoor dummy load, 2-pill. 2-pill. Look at the LP100A, get on down. 8-pill. 8-pill. 2x8, get on down. 2x8 on the outdoor dummy load on the Colossal. Get on down, worldwide. B018 Tennessee Beavis on the test bench, waving a hand. Just depends on Mother Nature. Breaker. Sometimes she's in there, sometimes she's not. But there she is, guys. She's all up and ready to go for you, bud. I do have your 4 transistors saved over here. They're working. I wouldn't know if I'd call them good, but they're working. I threw away the 4 bad ones. I'll send them transistors back to you like you asked. There's your stage 2x4. 2x8, I mean. Make sure you watch what you're doing when you turn the drivers off and on. Each time you turn a stage on, you got to set the carrier. So if you turn 2-pill on, you set the carrier for 2-pill. If you turn the 2x8 on, you start back at 0 carrier on the radio. Set it at about 150 watt carrier and stop. On sideband, tear everything down low as you can. I just leave 2-pill off. I wouldn't even drive it straight 8 and radio on sideband. Alrighty guys, please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. We thank you. Big shout out to all of our customers for the business support. Thank you very much. Your friend 10-0 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.